Adapter for connecting hoses or fittings of different types. 3/4 male NPT threads on one end and 3/4 male GHT threads on the other. Brass for corrosion resistance, ductility at high temperatures, and low magnetic permeability. Suitable for use in food and beverage processing, pharmaceutical, chemical, and petroleum applications. Hose fittings connect, control, change the direction of, and terminate the flow in piping and hose systems. They are made of brass, stainless steel, galvanized steel, and other materials that resist corrosion, pressure, and wear. Hose fittings have various types of connections, including threaded, barbed, push-to-connect, dry disconnect, and others including those based on internationally accepted specifications. Hose fittings are used in systems such as air compressors, automatic manufacturing operations, aircraft controls, and tire installation in industries including agriculture, mining, road construction, firefighting, and aviation. Super Clean manufactures spray nozzles, water mixer hose stations, hoses, and accessories. The company, founded in 1985 and headquartered in Burlingame, California, meets International Organization for Standardization, ISO, Standard 9000. Top review from the United States.